What if a bird could sound like a camera, a car alarm, or even a chainsaw? Meet the lyrebird, one of the greatest sound imitators in the animal kingdom. This incredible bird can mimic the calls of other birds with amazing accuracy. But it doesn't stop there. Lyrebirds have been recorded copying camera shutters, car alarms, chainsaws, and other sounds they hear in their environment. Imagine walking through a forest, hearing a baby crying, and discovering it was actually a bird. That's the unbelievable lyrebird. Follow Creature Feed for more creatures with unbelievable abilities.